If you're like me and not an HVAC tech, plumber, or engineer, you might be curious about a thermocouple. You can see there's a pilot light right there. That's running the heater, keeping everything from exploding, basically. A thermocouple is just two dissimilar metals, similar to a bimetallic strip in a thermostat, that can cut the fuel supply if it detects that it's not running correctly, if it's not lit, etc., etc. On this heater, you have to push down on the knob and light the pilot light. And if it's cold, you have to hold this down for about 10 seconds. And the thermocouple will say, oh, yeah, all right, we can let fuel through. Then you can turn it and light the rest of the heater and be nice and toasty.